Alright, up next.
Wow.
First of all, we've changed some settings, so hopefully this match isn't 17 minutes long.
Yeah.
So we've got Antonio Cesaro versus R-Truth. R-Truth challenging him for the U.S. title, even though there really wasn't any.
Well, he was dumped by his tag team partner, Kofi Kingston.
Right. In a backstage segment.
So he's like,
here he is, Justin Gabriel for the second time tonight.
What?
Oh, sorry. Here he is, Antonio Cesaro.
It's pretty good. I don't know about that, but...
Yes, with his patented leg support.
Patented Rocky entrance.
The former rugby player. Who's banned.
I like how it has the hair now. You can do the crowning, what do you call that?
Yeah.
No pattern baldness.
Yep.
Thing. That's good. More realistic. Just the Gabriel starts.
Wow. Yes.
Where's Ixana?
Who?
Oh, I'm sorry. Never happened. Antonio Cesaro does a gimmick that every European guy's ever done. He's been to WWE. This man is uncreative, racist. So he puts down Americans. The food they eat, the way they dress. I don't know.
That's right.
Yes.
Alright, and now the challenger. The mentally challenged man.
Bruce Price?
Here he comes. Wait a minute. Oh! He's dancing.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
He's dancing. Where's little Jimmy?
We're on the Truth Killings.
Here he is. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
It's the first TNA champion.
He is?
Yeah.
Who's the first TNA champion? Wow.
On the Truth Killings.
Where's little Jimmy? Left little Jimmy today. He's not there.
It doesn't have that. This is Archer from last year.
This is heel Archer.
Yeah. He's talking some of them. Spiders.
There better not be no spiders in the ring.
Spiders the soup. Spider soup. Remember that shit?
Spider soup.
Spider soup.
My grandmama will make me spider soup.
This could actually be an entertaining match. Like an actual match.
Yeah.
Shit.
He's dancing.
The Truth might win. Who the hell knows? You never know with this stuff. Little Jimmy.
He's looking for him. He can't find him. Where is he?
Little Jimmy ran off to the crowd.
Where is little Jimmy? Oh, he's talking to him right now.
Little Jimmy's losing his virginity right now.
What the fuck?
Yeah, remember that? Because you see you're going through puberty and all that.
Little Jimmy is losing his virginity.
That's what they did in the show.
To the dactyls.
To the dactyls.
Wow.
That's what they did on the show.
Wow, John. Wow.
That's what he said, remember?
This is something else.
You don't remember this?
This pay-per-view is something else.
You don't remember this?
Alright, it's for the U.S. title.
That's right.
That's what it's all about. A worthless mid-card title.
Yeah, unfortunately. And the IC-title's not even on the show, right?
Nope.
It's the alternate between them. Maybe you shouldn't have both. Maybe there should only be one.
Alright, here we go.
If you have one title, it's always on the shows.
Ooh!
Wow.
Wow, right out of the gates.
Weird on leg drop. Flipping move you can't do. That's pretty good. It's good likeness right there.
Push him to the corner. Ow!
Heavy whip.
What the?
Schoolboy.
1, 2, 3. Oh!
Shit.
It was almost a 3.
I thought it was going to be...
Look at this! 1, 2. Oh my god, look at this bridge, crazy bridge.
That was a 3.
What is this? Look at this. 1, 2, 3. It's a squash match.
What just happened? This game's out of control, man. What is up with this
It's a
game?
crazy squash match. Antonio Cesaro has retained his U.S. Championship in record time.
What the? First of all, the ref wasn't counting threes that were threes.
What is going on? Antonio Cesaro has retained this championship belt.
He has done it.
Oh my god.
What the?
What is happening?
Oh, what just happened?
What is happening?
Do that again, or I don't know what to say.
No, that's it. That's the match. That's the match.
It is what it is.
That's the outcome.
It is what it is.
A very impressive,
Congratulations.
impressive technical performance by Cesaro. A series of reversals, and he wins the match.
Hold on. What are the match highlights? I gotta see this.
Let's see the match highlights. Here we go. Ready? Here they are.
There's one. 35 seconds in.
The decisive moment. Here it was. Look at this. Reversed. 1, 2. Oh, no. He gets the bridge. Reverses it into a, what do they call that? A backslide? I forget what it's called.
Yep.
And he gets the pin.
That was it.
After one offensive move, Antonio Cesaro
35 seconds.
wins the match.
Should we save it?
35-second match, John.
Wow.
It's got to be one of her
This game so far is
records.
proving to be a little tricky with the Sims, huh?
I don't know if that was supposed to happen. Maybe if we had to put it on a different difficulty, hard. See what that does.
Okay.
Oh boy.